Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bimbel Cendikia. Di video kali ini kita akan belajar tentang bahasa Inggris dengan tema belajar kalimat bahasa Inggris dan artinya. Yuk kita mulai bersama-sama. My husband and I were at the race. My husband and I were at the race. Suamiku dan aku berada di tempat balapan. There were hundreds of people there. There were hundreds of people there. Ada ratusan orang di sana. I was at school yesterday. I was at school yesterday. Aku berada di sekolah kemarin. I saw a man near a bus stop. I saw a man near a bus stop. Aku melihat seorang pria di dekat halte bus. The man smiled pleasantly. The man smiled pleasantly. Pria itu tersenyum senang. We went to town this morning. We went to town this morning. Kita pergi ke kota pagi ini. She flew to Yogyakarta a month ago. She flew to Yogyakarta a month ago. Dia terbang ke Yogyakarta bulan lalu. I saved hurriedly this morning. I saved hurriedly this morning. Aku bercukur tergesa-gesa pagi ini. She ate a cake quickly. She ate a cake quickly. Dia makan sebuah kue dengan cepat. He gave me a cup of coffee. He gave me a cup of coffee. Dia memberiku secangkir kopi. I met him in the street yesterday. I met him in the street yesterday. Aku bertemu dengannya di jalan kemarin. We greet your parents warmly. We greet your parents warmly. Kami menyambut orang tuamu dengan hangat. The bus went slowly. The bus went slowly. Bus itu pergi dengan pelan. We visited to Bandung last night. We visited to Bandung last night. Kami mengunjungi Bandung tadi malam. He came to school this afternoon. He came to school this afternoon. Dia datang ke sekolah siang ini. Last Sunday, my brother came from Jakarta. Last Sunday, my brother came from Jakarta. Kemarin Minggu, saudaraku datang dari Jakarta. My brother bought trousers a week ago. My brother bought trousers a week ago. Saudaraku membeli celana seminggu yang lalu. Last night, my wife dreamed about fantastic journey. Last night, my wife dreams about fantastic journey. Tadi malam, istriku bermimpi tentang perjalanan yang fantastis. Yesterday, I could come to school. Yesterday, I could come to school. Kemarin saya bisa datang ke sekolah. We worked in the office yesterday. We worked in the office yesterday. Dia bekerja di kantor kemarin. The cock crowed early in the morning. The cock crowed early in the morning. Ayam berkokok di pagi hari. Mr. John edit this English book. Mr. John edit this English book. Mr. John mengedit buku bahasa Inggris ini. She laid in bed the whole day. She laid in bed the whole day. Dia berbaring di tempat tidur sepanjang hari. They nodded their head. They nodded their head. Mereka menganggukkan kepala mereka. Mereka menganggukkan kepala mereka. The cat sprang on the rat. The cat sprang on the rat. Kucing melompat ke atas tikus. The sun shone brightly this morning. The sun shone brightly this morning. Matahari bersinar cerah pagi ini. He told me the secret. He told me the secret. Dia berkata kepadaku sebuah rahasia. The ship sank in the great storm. The ship sank in the great storm. Kapal itu tenggelam dalam badai besar. I saw your grandchild last weekend. I saw your grandchild last weekend. Saya melihat cucumu akhir pekan lalu. The thieves stole all the jewels. The thieves stole all the jewels. Para pencuri mencuri semua perhiasan. They traveled to Padang last year. They traveled to Padang last year. Mereka bepergian ke Padang tahun lalu. This plant bloomed 2 days ago. This plant bloomed 2 days ago. Tanaman ini mekar 2 hari yang lalu. I telephoned you a while ago. I telephoned you a while ago. Saya meneleponmu beberapa waktu lalu. We went somewhere last month. We went somewhere last month. Kami pergi ke suatu tempat bulan lalu. The waiter broke a fork. The waiter broke a fork. Pelayan itu membawa sebuah garpu. Alhamdulillah, kita telah menyelesaikan pelajaran pada hari ini, yakni belajar tentang 35 kalimat bahasa Inggris dan artinya dalam bahasa Indonesia. Semoga dengan video ini teman-teman semakin lancar ya dalam berbahasa Inggris. Terima kasih sudah menonton video ini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.